Good morning, children. So today's session we are going to learn about Kolkata. Last session we learned Mumbai, right? So now we are going to see about Kolkata. So we know very well this Mumbai, which is called as city of dreams, right? And this Kolkata, which is called the city of joy. What is it? The city of joy. So next, Kolkata. Okay, this Kolkata, earlier it was called Calcutta. This Kolkata, earlier it was called Calcutta. Calcutta. Now it is called Kolkata. Kolkata. Okay. And before that we learnt about two cities, that is Delhi and Mumbai. We know very well Delhi, which is the national capital of India, and Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Likewise, this Kolkata, which is the capital of West Bengal. Kolkata, which is the capital of West Bengal. And the next thing is Delhi, which is on the bank of the river Yamuna. Likewise, Mumbai, which faces Arabian Sea. Likewise, what about this Kolkata? This Kolkata, which is on the banks of the river Hooghly. On the banks of the river Hooghly. This Hooghly river, which serves as the link of the city to the sea. So this Hooghly river, which serves as the link of the city to the sea. In simple, we can say this Hooghly river, which connects this Kolkata with the sea. The city is what is the city? The Kolkata is the city, so it connects it with the sea. Understood? Okay. The next thing is all the important official peoples like governor, chief minister and other ministers are also, that is their residence are situated in Kolkata. Residence is the place where they live, right? So all the governor, chief minister and other ministers residence which is situated in Kolkata. And this Kolkata is the third most populous metropolitan city. So it is the third most populous metropolitan city in India. And this Kolkata, which is also known as the city of joy. Kolkata, which is also known as the city of joy. And the next thing you learnt in the chapter Delhi, that is in the topic Delhi, that is this Kolkata was the capital of India under the British rule until 1911. Do you all remember? So our country was under the British rule, that is after 1947 only we are independent, right? So till 1911 this Kolkata only the capital of India is. Do you all remember that? We discussed in the chapter, right? Yeah. So until 1911, and it is a major port town in India. This is the major port town in India. Okay. So likewise, we can learn many things about Kolkata. Stay tuned and listen. What are all the famous places are there in Kolkata? We can learn all those things. Children, let us learn some facts about Kolkata. The first one is the largest tree in the world. What is that tree? So the Great Banyan Tree, which is at Botanical Garden. So Botanical Garden, which is in Ooty, right? So Kolkata also we can see a Botanical Garden. Okay. So the tree is the Great Banyan Tree, which is at Botanical Garden, and the tree is over 250 years old. The tree is over 250 years old. And the next thing is this Kolkata, which is the second most important city after London. Why, ma'am, it is important city? The reason here, the major universities, economic industries and some other institutions were constructed here. So that's why after London it is considered as important city. Okay. The third thing is in Kolkata we can see the oldest zoo in the country. What is the name? Alipore Zoo, which is the oldest zoo in the country. So the fourth fact is the oldest polo club in the world, not in the country, in the world. Okay, so the world's first polo club was established by the British in this Kolkata in 1858. In 1858. The next thing is about, here we can see the oldest, this Kolkata, which has second oldest cricket and football club. So what is the name of that? So let us learn something about cricket and football in Kolkata. So in terms of the seating area, that is seating area space, Eden Garden. What is it? Eden Garden is the third largest cricket ground in the world, not in the country, in the world. So Eden Garden is the third largest cricket ground in the world. And at oldest also, large, same time it is oldest. And Salt Lake Stadium is the second largest football ground. Salt Lake Stadium is the second largest football ground in the world in terms of the seating area, so that more people can accommodate, right? Okay. The next thing is, the interesting one is Kolkata, which has largest second hand book market, so that if we want to get the book, so that is first time used and second time someone is getting, that only we can call it as second hand book market, so that it is a famous place where it has a largest second hand book market. And the seventh fact is about, it has largest planetarium. Okay, the planetarium name is Birla Planetarium. Okay, Birla Planetarium. So which is the largest planetarium in Asia. The next thing is about the only city which has trams. So Asia's oldest electric running tram is not in Mumbai or Delhi, but only there in Calcutta. Okay, so which is there in since 1902. Understood? So this tram is like with the, how this Kolkata is the only city in the world where we can ride on hand pulled rickshaws running on the city streets. Since the British time, from British time we can see all those things. And same time, the next thing is about oldest and the only riverine port. Oldest and the only riverine port is there. So very few people know that the country's only riverine port is at Hooghly, which is called the Kidderpore port, So which is the oldest port in India. The last one is the Jewel of the East. So which is the Great Eastern Hotel as the Jewel of the East. So this hotel was established in 1841 and usually serving most of the prominent personalities like writers, painters, governors, sportsmen, etc. Okay. So, and the Great Eastern Hotel, which was Asia's first hotel which was open to the public. So these are all few facts, just know it. Okay. Next is about bridge we are going to learn. Okay. So the Howrah Bridge is the old bridge. The Howrah Bridge is the oldest bridge in the Kolkata. So where it is located, and we can see something about that bridge. Okay. This Howrah Bridge, okay, the old hanging bridge. Why it is called old hanging? I will tell you. Okay. So this old hanging bridge which is on the Hooghly River. This old hanging bridge which is on the which river? Hooghly River was called Howrah Bridge. The bridge name is Howrah, which is on the Hooghly River. So please don't confuse. The river is Hooghly. The bridge name is Howrah. But now the bridge is called as Rabindra Setu. Rabindra Setu. So Setu means what? In Hindi, Setu means what? Bridge. So bridge is called Setu. Okay. So, and in remembering of Rabindranath, this name has been changed. Instead of Howrah Bridge, the name has been changed to what name? Rabindranath Setu. So a few years ago, it was renamed as in honor of Rabindranath Tagore. It has been changed to Rabindranath Setu. So now this Howrah Bridge is called Rabindranath Setu. So the next another bridge over the river is the Vidyasekar Setu. What is it? Vidyasekar Setu. So this new bridge called the Vidyasekar Setu, this has been built to reduce traffic on the older bridge. This has been built to reduce traffic on the older bridge. Okay, so the older bridge is what? Howrah Bridge. And children, so about this Howrah Bridge, I said you that I am going to tell, right? So this bridge which looks like a hanging bridge. The reason, just see that picture. This is like a hanging bridge because it does not have any supporting pillars. So if you go for any bridges, just see anywhere. So even if you see that Kodiveri also, there also some pillars will be there. That is like a support, it will be there. But if you see this Howrah Bridge, just see it is like a hanging thing, right? So here there is no pillar to support those bridges. Even just see the picture, and also I will show you the video. Just see in that. Okay, this is the special about this Howrah Bridge. So children, I think you are all clear. We have two bridges, that is Howrah Bridge and Vidyasekar Setu. That is, the name has been changed to Howrah to Rabindranath Setu. Setu means bridge. So we have two bridges. Rice and fish are the staple food of Kolkatans. That is, for Bengalis, this rice and fish are the staple food. Staple means that is a routine food. Okay. Then Rasagulla, Sandish and Misti Doi are some popular sweets. How for Mumbai people, this Srikanth is the famous, popular sweet, right? So likewise here, Rasagulla, Sandish and Misti Doi are some popular sweets. And here, Bangla is the main language, that is Bengali is the main language which is spoken in Kolkata, and Hindi and English are also spoken here. And children, people of Kolkata are known for their love for football. They are very fond for football. So Mohun Bagan, which is a famous football club in Kolkata, and also this Mohun Bagan, which is the oldest football clubs in India, and also which is the oldest in Asia too. So just see here. So this is the football clubs. Okay. Kolkata was the first city in India with the underground metro railway system. So this underground railway which is called metro. So it is the only city with trams. And Dum Dum, that is the airport name, that is the international airport. Dum Dum is the international airport. It was earlier called Dum Dum, but now it was called as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So earlier that airport name was, that international airport name was Dum Dum. Now it was called as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and it is the international airport. Same, the railway station is Howrah. The railway station is Howrah. Besides the Howrah station, we can see two more stations, that is Sealdal station and the Chitpur or Kolkata station. Usually we can tell Sealdah or Chitpur or Kolkata station. So there are many places of tourist interest like the Victoria Memorial, Botanical Gardens, India Museum, that is Indian Museum, Birla Planetarium, Rabindra Sarovar and Alipore Zoo. Okay. So this National Library here, which is the biggest library in India, as we learned already, right? So this Ramakrishna Mission at Bellur Math, which is an important religious center. So that we will discuss some important places in Kolkata. First, we can go with this National Library. This National Library in Kolkata is the biggest library in India. The public records of Government of India are kept here. And we know very well about the two bridges, that is Howrah Bridge, which is also called Rabindra Setu. It has no pillars, that is it has no supporting pillar. So it looks like a hanging bridge. And one more is what? Rabindranath Setu. The next thing is, these are all few important places. Suppose if you get a chance for Kolkata, don't miss those places. Okay. The next thing is Victoria Memorial. This was built in honor of Queen Victoria in 1921. So this place which attracts many visitors from all over India. So just see that picture. It looks like a Taj Mahal, but it is not a Taj Mahal. Okay. So the next thing, Victoria Memorial over. The next one is, wait once again, this Victoria Memorial which was built with the white marble, it also houses a museum. It looks like a museum. Okay. And already we learnt about this Fort William, right? So this is a well-guarded fort which is built in 1781 by the British people. The next thing is about, so these are a few important places, my dear children. So other things I will show you in the video. Just watch that video. It will be very interesting. Okay. So Kolkata is the most important industrial city in Eastern India. The main industries in and around the city are jute mills, cotton and silk textiles, paper, tea, rubber, chemicals, automobiles, machines, leather goods and food processing. So these are few industries which is there in and around the city. In the center of the city Kolkata are Fort William and the Maidan. So the Maidan is the main center for cultural and sports activity. Just see the second picture. It was very big, right? It was so big. So here cultural and sports activities will be held. And the National Library, which is the biggest in India, it is situated in Kolkata. So the National Library is the biggest in India. That library which is situated in Kolkata. So the next thing is coming for the climate. So this Kolkata, which has a mild climate, it is neither very hot nor very cold. The rainy season in Kolkata, which extends from mid-June to September end. This is the climate of Kolkata. So the next one is, the traditional dress of Kolkata is, men usually go with dhoti and kurta. Women generally wear saris and salwar suits. So most of the important Indian festivals are celebrated in Kolkata, like Kali Puja and Durga Puja are the most important festival.
Kolkata, earlier known as Calcutta, is the capital of West Bengal. This city is situated on the east bank of the river Hooghly. Kolkata has a major port called Diamond Harbour. Howrah and Kolkata are twin cities. Many tourists visit this place because of its attractive places like Birla Planetarium, Science City, Indian Botanical Garden, the Fort William and Victoria Memorial. The biggest library in India is located in Kolkata. The Bengalis love to eat rice and fish as it is their staple food. Many famous sweets are made in Kolkata like the Sandesh and Rasgulla, as the Bengalis are very fond of sweets. The two main festivals of the people of Kolkata are Durga Puja and Kali Puja. The climate of Kolkata is pleasant, as the summer is not too hot and the winter not too cold. It experiences experiences heavy rainfall during the months June, July, August and September. The transport system in Kolkata. Kolkata is the first city in India to have an underground railway system. The two main railway stations present in the city are Howrah and Sealdah. As Howrah and Kolkata are twin cities, the Howrah Bridge and the Vidyasagar Setu connect both the cities. Kolkata is also known for the industries like jute, textile, rice, rubber, paper and chemical. The people of Kolkata or the Bengalis are very traditional in their attire. The men wear dhoti kurta and the women prefer typically tied sari and shalwar kameez. People of Kolkata speak Bengali, which is their main language. The people of Kolkata are also culturally rich. Our great poet Rabindranath Tagore, who wrote a national anthem, belonged to this city. He was the first Indian to get the Nobel Prize.
Kolkata is situated on the banks of the Hooghly River, a tributary of the Ganga River. Earlier, it was known as Calcutta. Kolkata is the capital city of West Bengal. The governor, chief minister, and other ministers of West Bengal live in Kolkata. Kolkata was a trading center of the East India Company. It was the capital of British India from 1773 to 1911. The Howrah Bridge over the Hooghly is the most important landmark of Kolkata. It is now called Rabindra Setu. The important feature of the bridge is that it has no pillars to support it. Another bridge called the Vidyasagar Setu has been built over the river to relieve the traffic on the Howrah Bridge. There are many industries in Kolkata. Some important industries are jute, cotton, chemicals and pharmaceuticals. Kolkata is also an important port of our country. The name of the port here is Haldia. Goods are exported and imported from here. Kolkata has several places of interest besides the Howrah Bridge. Some important places in Kolkata are the Victoria Memorial, Botanical Gardens, Kali Ghat Temple, Dakshineshwar Temple, Marble Palace, Birla Planetarium, Rabindra Sarovar, Eden Gardens and Parashnath Temple. The Botanical Gardens in Kolkata has a big banyan tree which is more than 200 years old. Belur Mutt, the headquarters of the Ramakrishna Mission, is in the north of the city. It was founded by Swami Vivekanand. The Shaheed Minar, Maidan and Fort William are also important places in Kolkata. Metro Rail. Another means of transport in Kolkata are the trams. These are vehicles powered by electricity and they run on rails laid out on public roads. Kolkata is the only city in India where trams are in use. Project an underground railway system first started in Kolkata. The climate of Kolkata is mild. Summers are not very hot and winters are not very cold. It rains heavily in the rainy season in Kolkata. People mostly speak Bengali. They are fond of rice, fish and sweets. Sweets like Rasagulla and Sandesh are very famous all over the country. The people of Kolkata are fond of art, music and dance. Rabindra Sangeet is the famous music in the city and the state. Durga Puja and Kali Puja are very famous festivals of Kolkata. Besides these festivals, many other festivals are also celebrated. The International Airport of Kolkata is named as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. It was earlier known as Dum Dum Airport.